Hello.
Hi, Judy.
Hi, pretty. It's a rainy day at the tiny house, and I saw my bunny already. When I pulled up, he was sitting right there and he ran away. So today I'm going to see if I can't pull out the rest of the trash from the studio, the paint studio. This is day 7 or 8, maybe. All right, it's dark in here. Lights are not working yet. We have electricity, but they're not on yet. So this is going to be storage back here. I'm gonna come back on Thursday, because I work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We're gonna come back Thursday and paint this whole thing, sweep it out, blow it out, wash it out. And then next week, or the weekend, I think next week they're coming to put a window in. And that's Charles working his butt off. All right. And look at my little tiny home. So that's my studio, and this will be my home. Oof. Pouring down rain. We sort of cleaned out the back, took down all the fence. I took down all the fence. Look at, I think I'm gonna make my little outdoor patio there somehow, but we'll see. This is another shed that we haven't talked about. Looks like it was emptied out a little bit, but it has some interesting things. I mean, the whole wall is full of jars that are full of nails. Every kind of nail, screw, nut that you could even imagine. Look at that. Every single kind of nut, bolt, screw. Look at that. Who does this? I mean, and it has an upstairs. So I think this is going to be for the lawnmowers and work shed. You probably can't see this, but wow. Help has arrived. Woohoo! So I haven't even shown you the upstairs, but while Charles and I were emptying the studio, Jackie's been making a mess.
What?
Oh, look, you got all the wallpaper off.
And the popcorn ceiling.
Did you?
Charles is gonna kill me. Yeah.
Okay. So, this is going to be the master bathroom and the master bedroom. And a walk-in closet for Miss Jackie. Then the baby's room. And the guest bath and the guest bedroom. So there we are. That's everything.
That's all for today. Bye-bye.